Greetings of the day. I believe that anyone who remembers their education doesn't remember the methods or syllabus or techniques, they remember their teachers because you are the heart and soul of this education system. I can't thank you enough for the nurturing and caring environment that you made for us to learn and grow. And all I wish is for this pandemic to end so I can come back to school and meet every one of you. Thank you for all the love and support, and happy Teachers' Day.
Respected teachers, thank you for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination, and instilling in me a love for learning. We will always be thankful to you for all your hard work and efforts you have put in for education.
And now talking about Jaya ma'am, the most fun teacher, in my case class teacher, you could ask for is her. She is fun to talk to. You can talk to her about anything. And मेरे को पता है कि मेरा वीडियो देख के मैम का पहला रिएक्शन यही होगा कि हमेशा की तरह फिर से इंग्लिश झाड़ रही है. बट मैम आई कांट हेल्प इट नाउ. स्कूल में तो फिर भी बोल लेते थे, अब तो पूरी अंग्रेज़ी हो गई है, तो प्लीज़ आप माफ़ करिएगा हमें. And yeah, so she is fun to talk to. And
hello ma'am, how are you ma'am? I hope you are good and stay safe. हेलो मैम, कैसी हैं आप? मैम वी मिस यू. मैम वी मिस योर पाव भाजी सो मच.
हेलो मैम. हम लोगों को कब आप फिर से अपने घर पे बुला रहे हैं? इतना सब कुछ आपके घर पे हम लोग ने खाया है, हम लोग सब कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं फिर से. और मैम देखते हैं हम लोग कब मिलते हैं. अभी तो सब अलग ही है. लेट्स सी.
Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, Ravin sir. May God bless you. There are many teachers who come across in our life, but there are only few who stays and touches our soul. So basically, thank you so much, sir, for taking our maths classes. If you remember that we guys used to irritate you a lot during our classes, but you helped us in all the ways. In fact, in my BTech career, whenever I had any problem in the first year with Maths 2 or Maths 3, you were always there and you helped me. So thank you so much, sir, for always being helpful.
Happy Teachers' Day, sir. You have always been a great teacher, and with you as a class teacher in class 11th and 12th, it was so much fun. We all really miss you a lot, and you always deserve the best. Thank you for guiding us in every aspect of life, and thank you for being there. Happy Teachers' Day once again.
Hello sir, wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Sir, I want to thank you for your support, guidance and scolding throughout my school life. Sir, आपके support के बिना sports possible नहीं था. Sir, though you never said that, but I know I have always been your favorite. And sir, your dialogue. How any of the Springdalian could forget it? बेटा टांगे तोड़ दूंगा. Missing those days, sir. But no worries, I'll meet you soon after this pandemic situation gets normal. And I wish you a long and healthy life. आप Springdalians की टांगे तोड़ना continue रखें. And happy Teachers' Day again, sir. Bye bye.
Namaste, sir. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Thank you for bringing the best out of me in my school life. Thank you for being my coach and mentor. I really feel blessed. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
Dear Ghanshyam sir, like a proton, you always encouraged in positivity and always advised us to stay positive. Because if you are always positive and motivated, you can achieve anything in this world. So thank you for that advice and thank you for that suggestion. Secondly, thank you for tolerating such a jumpy kids like us. I know it was very hard for you, but we did it anyway. So thank you for that. Whenever I think of a person who is as decent as anyone, I think of you. You are the epitome of decency and patience. So I just really want this to end so soon, this pestilence, and then I'll come and meet you. Happy Teachers' Day.
जैसा कि मुझे पता है कि दुनिया में दो तरह के टीचर्स होते हैं. एक जो आपको इतना डराएंगे कि आप हिल भी नहीं पाओगे, और दूसरे वो जो आपकी पीठ पे हल्के से थपथपाएंगे और आप आसमान छू लोगे. उसी सेकंड कैटेगरी में आते थे हमारे घनश्याम सर. सर, हमने आपको बहुत परेशान किया, उसके लिए हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉरी हैं. बट आपकी वजह से आज हम बन के खड़े हैं, आज आपकी वजह से आज हम सक्सीड कर रहे हैं लाइफ में। आपने हमारी केमिस्ट्री यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँचा दी थी, एंड उसके लिए वेरी थैंक यू सर, एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे सर।
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे अजय सर। देखिए, आप तो हमारे दोस्त थे, मतलब आपकी पढ़ाई हुई बातें तो काम आती हैं, आपने जो लाइफ लेसन्स दिए हैं ना हमको क्लास में, वो अभी तक काम आते हैं। सच बात है बिल्कुल सर। आपके साथ जो क्लास में मस्ती की है वो तो अभी तक याद रहती है। सब बढ़िया है वो सब तो। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
हेलो सर, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। और बहुत दिन हो गए आपसे मिले हुए, तो जब स्कूल खुलेगा तो सबसे मिलने आएंगे, तो तब तक के लिए हैप्पी टीचर्स डे एंड टेक केयर।
I have been a Springalian for past 15 years and I have seen Jaya ma'am since I was a kid. In class 11th, I finally got a chance to be her protege. She really taught me how to be bold, how to express your thoughts, and I'm very glad to have a teacher like her for bio and biotech. Thank you, Jaya ma'am, for imparting the best knowledge and for guiding me. I'm really glad to have a best teacher like you and a great friend like you. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for being there for all of us during our entire school life. You have been a great inspiration for all of us. Your smart and bold personality has always influenced us. You are that great teacher who has been a great friend and a mentor for all of us. Thank you for being there. And once again, wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
You are one person who has given us the warmth which nobody else has ever given us. And for me, you have been one person who has been really encouraging in my school life. I always remember the way, Roma ma'am, you have encouraged me to do a lot of things which I would have not thought of being doing it. But for now, after completing my school life and spending 5 years later, we passed in 2015 and now it's 2020, I really remember कि कितना आपने हमें push किया है for all those things, and all of these things that really matter to us. So I am really thankful for you. Thankful to you, and I give all this love to you. I don't know, ma'am, what to say, but we really love you and wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day once again.
This year we had a new teacher with us, Asad sir, who taught us physics in class 11. He is an awesome teacher and taught very nicely. We students understood the concepts and analyzed them. Earlier I was a bit weak in physics, but now I think I am developing an interest in it. While I would like to end by saying now that an awesome teacher is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. Thank you.
Very happy Teachers' Day, Asad sir. Sir, you are one of those physics teachers who tries to instill the love for physics in each and every student's minds, and you do this by making the lectures fun and the numericals easy to understand. Sir, even my problems and my doubts have been digested only with your help, and I am extremely grateful for that. So sir, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day once again, and thank you.
Dear teachers, we all are wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. We will always be thankful for the efforts you are putting in to make us educate. Also, we will never forget the kind of work you are doing in this pandemic so that our education is not stopped. Stay safe, stay well.
So yes, nothing is complete without mentioning everyone's favorite, Anrakti ma'am. She has been the backbone of the school since years, and we love her so much. She's always there to support us. Whether it's the tiniest of the problems, she's always there and always has a solution to it. And yes, this video has so many people in it, whether it's the juniors or the seniors from 2014 batch or 2020 batch. But yes, everyone has shown equal energy and enthusiasm. And everyone is eagerly waiting for all your wishes and remarks about how they have performed. And yes, thank you teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day.